Good morning, dear student. Have an awesome day. Are you studying well? All the subjects? Yes, very good. Now it's the time to expand your knowledge, to push your horizon of knowledge a little further, to make it a little bigger, as our today's subject is general knowledge. What is general knowledge? It's a knowledge of fact about various subjects. It helps you to stand out from the crowd, to be active, smart, and knowledgeable. It will enhance your public speaking and help you to take better decisions in life. Not only that, during this lockdown period, it has proven a very good indoor game for our family. Believe me, today I am also gonna do something like that. Here, I have divided our main topic into some subtopic. There, I will ask you some question. Whenever you need, you can pause the video and try to give me the answer. So, when the subject is so interesting and important, what for we are waiting? Let's start. As this is our month of independence, allow me to ask you some question about our country. See, what is next? What is the name of our country? Options: America, China, India, or Canada. What is? It is India. Very good. Question number 2. What is the capital of India? Options are Kolkata, New Delhi, Mumbai, or Chennai. What it is? New Delhi. Very good. Question number 3. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Madurai, Trichy, Coimbatore, or Chennai? What it is? Chennai. Question number 4. On which date we celebrate our Independence Day? Options are 1st August, 10th August, 15th August, or 20th August? Answer: 15th August. Very good. Next question. Who is the father of our nation? Your options are Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, or Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is? Mahatma Gandhi, isn't it? See, our next question is, who is the first Prime Minister of India? And options are Lal Bahadur Shastri, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, or Subhash Chandra Bose. Do you know? Jawaharlal Nehru. Very good. Question number 7. Who is the current President of India? And your options are Ramnath Kovind, next Pranab Mukherjee, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, or Pratibha Patil. Tell me the answer. Ramnath Kovind. Very good. Look out the picture. Very good. Next, our last question. Where is the Taj Mahal located in India? And your options are New Delhi, Kolkata, Agra, or Lucknow. Where it is? Answer is Agra. Very good. Look at how beautiful, isn't it? Next, what we will learn? National symbols of India. Let's see what is there. First question. What is the national tree of India? Answer is yes, banyan tree. Question number 2. What is the national fruit of India? Do you know? Mango. Very good. Question number 3. What is the national animal of India? Tiger. Excellent. Next, question number 4. What is the national bird of India? It is peacock. Beautiful peacock, isn't it? Very good. Our next question is, what is the national flower of India? What it is? Lotus. Good. Question number 6. What is the national river of India? Do you know? National river is The Ganga. Next question. What is the national reptile of India? It is king cobra. Question number 8. What is the national anthem of India? I know you know this one, isn't it? It is Jana Gana Mana. Excellent. Our last question. What is the national song of India? Remember this one. National anthem is Jana Gana Mana. But national song is, yes, Vande Mataram. Very good. So, next segment what? Identify the person. Here I have given some picture. You have to tell me who is he. Let's see. Who is he? He is Thiruvallavar. Very good. Next person is, do you know him? His name is Swami Vivekananda. Good. Next person. I know you know him very well, isn't it? He is Bharatiyar. Next. Who is she? Do you know her? She is Mother Teresa. Our next person is Ravindranath Tagore, who wrote our national anthem. Okay. Next. I guess you know him, isn't it? He is K. Kamaraja. Very good. Look at the next. He is a great Indian freedom fighter. Do you know him? Subhash Chandra Bose. Very good. Our next person, you know him very well. He is our missile man. His name is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay. Our next person, he is also a great Indian freedom fighter and his name is Bhagat Singh. Next person, if you know cricket, if you like cricket, you can tell me very easily. Who is he? Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Very good. Next, what we will learn? About solar system. At the end of this topic, I will ask you some question. So, listen to me very carefully. Okay? Look at this. This is solar system. Okay? So, tell me, when you look at the day sky, what do you see? Sun, cloud, isn't it? So, what is sun? Sun is a big ball of fire. Is it? It's a star. Okay? It's having some planets. Actually, 8 planets. And some planets are having moon. So, sun, moon, planets, they are all come under this solar system. Do you know what is this? This is our Earth. It's a planet. Like this, we are having some other planets. Let's know about them. Okay? Let's see what is first. Look at this. It's called Mercury. It's the smallest planet, nearest to the sun. Look at our next one. What it is? It's Venus. Brightest of all, morning star or evening star, we call it, even though it's a planet. It is our planet, named the Earth. Okay? 70% of it covered with water. It is called blue planet. Because of oxygen and water, life is known to exist here. Okay? Next, it's looking like a red ball, isn't it? Name of this planet is Mars. It's called red planet. Next, look at, it's a very big one. And the name of this planet is Jupiter. Largest planet. It can occupy nearly 1,300 Earths in it. It's very big. Okay? Look at this. This planet is called Saturn. Second largest planet. Yellowish in color and beautiful rings around it. Can you see it? Good. Next one is Uranus. A thick layer of gas covers this planet. Last one is Neptune. Farthest from the sun. Cold wind blows here. Now I will ask you some question. Whenever you need, you can pause the video and give me the answer. So see, what is the first one? How many planets are there in our solar system? How many? 8 planets are there. Very good. Which is the biggest planet of the solar system? Which one? Jupiter. Good. Next. Which planet is called morning star? Venus. In which planet life can be existed? On Earth, isn't it? Very good. Next question. Which planet is known as red planet? Answer, Mars. The sun is a star or a planet? It's a star. Good. Which planet is called blue planet? Answer, the Earth. What is the closest planet to the sun? Mercury, isn't it? Very good. Now let's see what is in our next segment. Nicknames of Indian cities across the country. Do you have nickname? Yeah, like that some of our cities also having nickname. I have given here some. You should find out some more, isn't it? Okay, let's see what is the first one. Jaipur is called Pink City. Look at the picture here I have given. Next one is Kolkata is called City of Joy. Howrah Bridge. Next one. Chennai, India's health capital, and another name is Gateway of South India. Check out the picture. Our next is Madurai. It's called Temple City. Look at the Meenakshi Temple. Question number 5. Nagpur. It's called Orange City. Interesting. Next one is Pondicherry. It's called Paris of the East. Mumbai, Gateway of India. Our next city is Bangalore. It's called Silicon City. Okay. Next. Mangalore. It's having very interesting name. Ice cream capital of India. Interesting, isn't it? Last one is Udaipur, city of lakes. Check out the picture. Good. This time I told you, next time you will tell me. Okay. Next, see what we will learn next. What is next? Ways of greetings in different countries. Whenever you meet with somebody, how do you greet them? Vanakkam, Namaste, Namaskar, isn't it? But different countries having different ways. I have given here 4. You find out some more. Okay? Let's see what I have given. They are from the France, French people. When they meet with somebody, they say bonjour, bonjour. Next, people from Hawaii, they say aloha, aloha. Next, Japan, they say Ohio, Ohio or Konnichiwa, Konnichiwa. Next, from Portugal, Portuguese people, they say Ola, Ola. You know this one, isn't it? Ola cab, Ola taxi. The Ola mean hi, hello, whatever you say. So, isn't it very interesting? Good. Next, worksheet. I have given here some worksheet. Try to do it at home. Okay? You can pause the video, find out the answer. Next, here I have given some question. Tell me the answer. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Second question. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Third. How many hours are there in 2 days? Next. How many primary colors are there? Next. Which is the longest river on the earth? Last question. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? I know you can give me the answer, isn't it? Next one is very interesting, is match the following. Here I have given some pictures of animals and their sound. You have to match them. First animal is dog. Next, cat. Next, bee. and the sounds are meow, buzz or bark. Next animal picture is lion, pig and duck, and the sounds are quack quack, roar or quack quack. You can match this, isn't it? Very good. Next is the activity time. Take one A4 size paper and draw 5 human sense organs and write how do they help us. Check out, I have given here. You can draw them and write how do they help us. Okay? I hope you liked today's lesson. Remember, you have to memorize all of them. Practice it every day. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and healthy.